All right, a super slow refrigerant leak on this Mercedes. And I did this one, I think 2 years ago. Couldn't find a leak. I charged it up. Then I did it again last year, and now it's getting warm again, and I didn't find a leak last time. So here we go. I have a suspicion. And when I can't find a leak, there's one place I have a suspicion. Oh yeah, we got a winner. Okay, this is a real sensitive leak test. I'm gonna go under the hood too and look for things under the hood, but that was my suspicion 2 years ago. That was my suspicion last year, and it wouldn't pick up anything. And it's been sitting out here for hours in the sun, all closed up, not moved, no air movement. It's a slow leak. All right, that's it. Stratus, Infracon. My lid broke. Now I use tape on it, so ghetto. But it's a great leak detector. Out of all my leak detectors, this has unfortunately pushed my favorite 40-year plus favorite H10 off of its throne, and I now like the Infracon D-Tech Stratus. I was a diehard H10 guy, and I still am, but you know what? You guys at Infracon, your Stratus here, this is the bee's knees, man. This is definitely the king of all kings.